Black beans are an excellent food choice if you are looking to improve your overall health and reduce the risk of a number of different diseases, such as cardiovascular disease and improved digestion. Black beans are also packed with many nutrients which can keep our bodies strong and functioning properly. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming black beans regularly. First, black beans are a nutritional powerhouse. They are loaded with a number of different vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that are important for our overall health. Black beans are a great source of folate, manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, thiamin, and iron, to name a few. Black beans are also an amazing source of dietary fiber, antioxidants, and protein. Black beans, when consumed regularly, are also very healthy for your heart. This is often attributed to the incredible levels of fiber they contain, especially soluble fiber. Soluble fiber has been shown to help lower blood cholesterol levels, promote the health of our arteries, and reduce the risk of heart attacks. Regular consumption of black beans can also help to improve blood pressure and promote the overall health of the cardiovascular system. It should not come as a surprise that consuming black beans can help to improve overall digestion and even provide relief from certain digestive ailments. This is because of their amazing levels of fiber and protein. These two nutrients help to add bulk and move food through the digestive tract. Black beans can also help to promote regularity and increase nutrient uptake from the healthy foods we eat while relieving symptoms of constipation. Black beans are also an effective way to control blood sugar levels. This can provide benefits for those individuals with diabetes or those who are at risk of developing the disease. This is because black beans are a great source of antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals that can help to reduce the risk of diabetes. Black beans can help to balance digestion and keep it at a steady state. This means it is less likely to create spikes or dips in blood sugar levels from occurring, which can put those with diabetes or other blood sugar related conditions at risk. Surprising to some, but black beans can help to boost the nervous system and improve its overall functioning. This is because they provide important amino acids and contain high amounts of folate and vitamin B9. Folate is especially helpful in this regard, since it plays a vital role in regulating amino acids that specifically help the nervous system. This can help to decrease homocysteine levels. Lastly, consuming black beans regularly can help to support weight loss and healthy weight management. This is often attributed to the very high levels of dietary fiber black beans contain, which promote satiety and fullness and can help to decrease snacking during the day. Black beans can also help to lower blood sugar levels, which can have a positive effect on reducing cravings. This is best supported in combination with a healthy lifestyle and diet as well. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.